princess for a good reason.
Not me.
Say hi. Is truffle burger Marcy Lou.
What's your favorite? Basic fish. I like my snack patch.
Good morning everyone. Happy Monday. Update on my skin from the carbon laser. The scars have kind of faded a little bit. Going. It's so warm inside.
Later. I know you're hungry. Why is the head wet? Why is his head wet?
Very nice. Perfect. They don't sell my favorite tea. They do, but there's a specific flavor that I like from. I was actually just talking about this. They sell one more. At home now, and I'm gonna go through all my stuff and organize. I have my table here with me. Nice and clean. Simple stir fry egg noodles with chicken. Shout out Friend Cheap menu on YouTube. So that still looks good. On my way to the gym. Mom's driving to DFO, being a passenger princess for a good reason. I'm actually editing this video right now. Look how small my mom is compared to me. You see the height difference. So tiny. Mom just went to the toilet, so I'm gonna eat first. Không biết.
Nhắn đi. Trước mà mình mới qua mà mình đâu biết ăn trái uni đâu, giờ mà mình biết ăn. Từ từ biết ăn, mình chưa mới đầu biết qua đâu biết ăn nạc con đồ không? Đông nhâm không ăn chiên ghê quá. Từ từ mới ăn được.
On my way to get some bubble tea. I don't recommend getting jasmine milk tea from Chart Time. It's not good. My mom left me. I'll go to another shop. I'm not really interested in shopping today. After spending X amount on this camera. So I made it to my yoga class. My mom's joining me behind. And it's still quite early, but I just want to show you the studio. Say hi. No students have arrived just yet. Stage. Got my music set up here. Put my bag out of the way. Try to film some of my flow if I can this evening. And that way you guys can like watch and see how I teach, and they'll be fun. Goes up towards the ears, exhale, roll them back. Nice slow movements here. Exhale, lower down onto your knees. Start to glide your chest forward. The toes, send your hips up towards the sky. Downward facing dog. Round away, send up towards the sky, opening up. Got ready. I teach my Thursday evening yoga class. I have my friends joining me tonight. Shout out to Angelina and Janari, and also her mum coming. Quite a full house tonight. Usually my mum would come as well, but she is at church tonight. If she was there, it would have been a very interesting class to teach. I'm gonna go eat together for dinner. We're just gonna go to the food trucks nearby the gym. Stretch down from the knee all the way up to the fingertips. And high towards the sky. And for the belly. Inhale, reach up. Over. Slowly send your heels towards your glutes. Maybe catch hold of the front here. And then gaze looks over your left shoulder.
Feature.
So cool. I know.
She's a vlogger.
We're vlogger.
So exciting.
We're vlogger.
Is this for YouTube?
Yeah. Say hi. I just finished yoga. How was it?
Very challenging.
Challenging?
Tiring.
Now we're eating.
Rewarding.
So good. Relaxing. We got acai.
Fat kebab, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Oh, I smell it.
Yeah. Wanna have a look at the menu? Sweet.
I'm so easy to
Oh,
use.
that's hard then. That's hard.
Eat a 2 burgers or 1 burger, 2 burgers or something else or not?
Yeah, let's get 2 burgers and try something else.
Yeah. As well as truffle fries.
My first time trying Spuddies.
Yeah,
I've heard
I
of
still
it.
haven't tried it.
Now
I
we can
tried
try
it in the UK, you know, with baked beans.
Oh, so you want the UK kind of
I
style?
want the UK rub.
Kybra. Oh, with the lights. Our mum's buying for us. June's paying for us. Camera. Guys, she inspired me to buy this camera. Started YouTube because of you.
Please like, follow, and subscribe.
Please like, follow, and subscribe. Hungry.
I thought it was a team effort. We're hungry.
We're hungry. We're all
Don't
hungry.
call me a big backer.
Reckon 2 burgers enough? You reckon 3?
What? You're that hungry?
You're gonna compliment it? Oh yeah,
P-Day?
yeah, let's do that. Yeah,
You're
let's
hungry
support the
that you
kebab
want 3
place. We're missing one more protein.
So
We
we
need-
need beef, we got chicken,
Yeah,
lamb.
yeah.
For a
Oh
mix.
yes.
Any leftovers? My brackets with water.
Snack pack.
Yalla.
Yalla, bro. Yalla.
Oh, 1 sorry, 2 like that. Sorry. Sorry. She wants the sugar.
I don't know what you call this area. It's Lansvale. We're full of food trucks.
Coke Zero and not the real Coke.
There you go.
Coke Zero is not the real Coke. It's the same thing. It's just artificial sweeteners.
Want to come inside? Only one person can come inside.
One person.
One
I'll come inside. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Wait, Jen, record for me to the inside.
This is for Marcy Lou's. Cheesy corn spuddies, truffle fries also, and another burger for Marcy Lou's. Snack pack. A1 Kebab Hut. Shout out to A1 Kebab Hut for letting me go behind the scenes and film him bits. And I'm gonna eat that first. I'll eat that first. 2 cameras on you. Ooh. Yeah. Do some yoga, eat some fat food after. Hashtag balance. It's so fat and that's great. It's too flat though.
Yeah, there's not a lot for me to like it's only just cheese and butter.
Maybe if it was a double patty it'd be better. Maybe.
Oh, yeah. Why is it so flat?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
I'm basic bitch, I like my snack pack. Maybe I'm
No, you're
biased.
fucking hogging it.
Maybe I'm biased because they let me in there.